Cream Protefix is intended for long-term fixation of prostheses for 20 hours. It is recommended for people with increased salivation. It prevents food from getting under the prosthesis. Cream for fixing dentures Protefix does not contain dyes and flavoring additives. Can be used for increased salivation. Provides reliable fixation when exposed to hot and cold water. Has no side effects. Changing taste sensations, effect on the stomach. Allows you to fix the prosthesis up to 10 hours. Does not affect bite. Mode of application. Clean dentures and oral cavity from food debris. On wet dentures, apply the hypoallergenic Protefix fixing cream with a thin broken line into the recesses on the dentures of the upper and or lower jaws, which then lie on the gums. If necessary, a strip or fixing cream can also be applied to the back of the upper denture plate. Then insert the prosthesis and press it against the gum for a few seconds. Strong fixation occurs almost immediately and lasts for 8 to 12 hours. Use only with a healthy oral mucosa. Do not eat for 5 minutes after application. Use Protefix hypoallergenic cream very sparingly, as an overdose reduces the holding power of the cream. Contraindications. Hypersensitivity to the constituent components of the cream. Special instructions. Please pay attention to the following instructions. Hold the tube vertically for ease of application. It is necessary to put pressure on the tube in the lower third, then the cream is easier to dose. Sometimes before use, an oily liquid is released from the neck, which does not affect the fixing power of the cream at all. Please just remove it from the prosthesis. After use, the tube must be carefully closed. The mouth of the tube must remain dry and clean. The penetration of liquid leads to the cream hardening. Remains of the fixing cream are easily removed with a cotton swab with vegetable oil.